Let's go ahead and load the panel schedule in. Scroll down until we find it. Here we have a test print of the panel schedule. So let's go ahead and click on it. Record number 16. And notice that we have here a total of 10 dwelling units. Now we could have 10 unique size dwelling units, and then we could have up to 100 or more of each one of these. So you could end up doing a calculation for 1,000 units. But in this case, we're just going to have 10 different size dwelling units. And now let's click on the range, and we see we have 5 ranges of 1,750 watts. By hovering over it, it gives you the wattage. And we have 5 ranges of 8,000 watt. And going to dryers, we have a total of 5 dryers only, because some of the units, if we go back to dwelling, are very small. 200 square feet is a very small studio apartment, which is not going to have a washer or dryer. Going down on our heating systems, we have 10 different sizes of heating systems. Heat pumps, 4 different sizes of heat pumps for the larger units. Going to air conditioning, we have 10 different air conditioning. Even the small units have air conditioners. And going to appliances, we have a variety of different items here. We have so many dishwashers, microwaves, water heaters of 2 different sizes, a hot tub for the very big units, well motor for the whole complex, and then we have 10 attic fans, 1 for each unit. Okay, so down here we can see that it requires a 700 amp to supply these 10 units, and the line amps calculate at 668.9. If we do auto calculate, we find that an optional calculation can reduce it to 456 amps. So we can go ahead and go with the optional calculation then. Now at this point, we wanted to see what a printout looks like. Let's just do a and B print off to see both of them. And here we have an optional calculation with all 10 units, saying that the average square foot is 819.8, 10 units, using 3 VA per square foot. And it goes through and gives you all the totals, gives you the size of breakers of 500, which the service or feeder has a calculated amps of 456. Another way of looking at this, let's close this out, is this other optional method print off. Here it's showing us that we have 10 units, average square feet of 820 with 3 VA. We have 20 small appliance circuits and 10 laundry circuit. Okay, we could have reduced some of those because some of the units do not have laundry. So scrolling down, we find that according to 220.84, we're calculating at 43%, which 43% of 254,400 is 109,000 divided by 240 volts gives us 456 amps, and we have a neutral load of 294 amps. So now let's go and do a print off. Click print off, and now it gives us a chance to modify our information. Our company name, installed on this date by Lucky E, and it gives our phone number. And we come down here and we see we have 10 different calculations, so we can do 10 different panel schedules. So our first panel schedule, we have 1,000 square feet. We'll give it 500 square foot for a garage, and it has 1 bath circuit, 1 laundry, and 2 kitchen and 2 general. In addition, we get to select which one of these items most appropriately fit in that unit. So we have a range, a dryer, a heat pump. We have an air conditioner, and we have dishwasher, a microwave, a garbage disposal, a water heater of the small type, a garage door opener. Let's disable the larger. Let's disable the other garage door opener. Let's disable the hot tub, the well motor, and they all have fan motors. So let's go ahead and do a print off and see what it looks like. And let's go ahead and balance the schedule. So we put half on each side. And here we go. We got a range, a dryer, a heater, a room air conditioner, a heat pump, dishwasher, a microwave, and our water heater. If we want to see, let's return again and come back in and print it. These sizes do not reflect the breaker sizes. So let's go ahead and size the breakers and return. So now we have the correct breaker sizes. And going down, we have the range, dryer, heat, air conditioning, heat pump, dishwasher, microwave, water heater, and so on. The general lighting circuits 1, 2, kitchen circuit 1, 2, laundry, and 1 bath circuit. So we can do a print off now. And here's what the print off looks like. It has our company logo, our phone number, and installed by. We need to put installed by again because we reset it when we left. So it's Lucky. So go ahead and do a print off again. So we have panel number 1, dwelling of 1,000 square feet. It has a 500 square foot garage. It's our company, our phone number, installed on this date by Lucky. So we can print this off and attach it to the panel. And we also have another way of looking at it. we have a itemized list showing the range, the load, and the size of breaker, the dryer, the load, the size of breaker, the heat, the load, and size of breaker, and so on. So let's return and do another print off. Let's choose a small unit here. It has a dryer, has a heater, yes, has an air conditioner, yes, has a dishwasher, microwave, garbage disposal, water heater, but no garage, no hot tub. It does have an attic fan. So go ahead and print this off. And again, it's by Lucky. He's lucky, he gets all the jobs. And when we panel schedule, now we show that this unit is 300 square foot, has the heat, has the air conditioning, the dishwasher, microwave, garbage disposal, water heater, attic fan. General lighting circuits only one for this one. 2 kitchen, 1 laundry, and 1 bath. Now returning, let's do one more. Let's do the largest one here, 1,666 square feet. It has a dryer, it has a large range, it has a heat pump, it has an air conditioner, it has a garbage disposal, water heater, garage door, but it has the bigger of the water heaters. It has a hot tub, a well motor, nope, but an attic fan, yes. It has general lighting circuits of 5, and it has 2 bath circuits. Let's go ahead and print it off then, and size the breakers. Now let's print it off, and here we have it. We have a range 35 amp, dryer 25, heat 15, air conditioning 15. Okay, so we select one garage door opener, and let's do a print off again. Installed by Lucky, he gets all the work. Size the breakers and do a print off. Alright, here we go. So we have a range, dryer, heaters, air conditioning, heat pump. So this concludes our demo on how to produce a panel schedule, also on how to print off the full load for the entire complex and what percentage that we're using under Article 22084.